guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be how I do my natural hair pretty much on a day-to-day basis. This is pretty much how I wear my hair every single day. If I'm not wearing a wig, I wear this to work and pretty much everywhere else. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling and we're just gonna get right on into the video.
Rose. Brandon Lee, what you telling me? Life is just a phase, so try to pass the stage like Ye West. Drop out and say fuck the letter grade. You gave what you can, I know you passed the fray. So go ahead and light it, burning like a renegade. I'm not gonna start this off with sorry, no sorries. From a board game, it's not a board game, so sorry. But apologize with open eyes for me telling you too many motherfucking lies that lie deeper than your crying eyes. So motherfuck my ego and my charm and pride. But I came from a Leo, so watch out for a lion's rise. Packed a suitcase full of pain with my suit and ties. I left my past just to separate forgotten whys. I can't help to be honest, because if I'm not, then there's nowhere to find it. From no man who owns it, doesn't care to show it. I'm someone who knows this, so yes love, I want this. I'm never perfect, for what it's worth is I'm guilty for taking your heart, treating it like it's filthy. All because of my lower demons, caught up in feelings, not feeling, fuck with me, cause baby I'm willing.
Cause only time will tell, just know that I would take the wheel and ride for anything by any means, you know the deal. Only time will tell, I know you're the mind and you know I'm the spine. Yeah, all we got is time, cause only time will tell. Just know that I would take the wheel and ride for anything by any means, you know the deal. Only time will tell, I know you're the mind and you know I'm the spine. Yeah, all we got is time, cause only time will tell.
I want your face to go straight in for a kiss to my lips, just as much as you wanna put your fist to my lips. Parents, best friends, lovers attached to the hip. You know I grip, but it's too strong to let it slip. Seeing many faces, but so far from your face, you was running out of patience to see if I'm gonna stay. Trying to embrace it, I need to stay in my place instead of going out to find something that's not worth the chase. Sick of wasting time, just wasting time. Already found someone who is hard to find. We already reached something that is hard to climb. Optimistic, just being patient, sitting in my prime. When the book is too good, I read between the lines. A goddess with intuition just running down your spine. From a strong mind, so you know I crossed the line. But I'm just trying to get it right, just to prove you're mine. Yeah. Oh shit, might I say, damn, you're looking flawless. I can see it is worth the bargain. And if I had it all, I'd be sure to flaunt it. Baby, it never gets, so why the fuck would I pawn it?
Time is of the essence, so all we have is a moment. We searching for something great, but won't take the time to control it. It's good because it's love, bad because we blind. And what we trying to find's been right in front of our eyes. Let's fly. Oh, we can sail the 7 seas. I'll show you all the finer things. Designer jeans. Important is commitment. Love is conviction. But happiness surpasses all. The key to life is coming back strong. Making everybody eat they fucking words, cause they hate it on the greatness. Baby, just be patient, and we gon' see a better day. Without you, there's no...
Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys how I do my hair on like a day-to-day basis. If you don't know, I went natural like a year or two ago and my hair is very hard to manage, so this is what I find is the easiest style. So yeah, I just left that scarf on for like 20 or 30 minutes and then took it off, and this is what we are left with. You see the waves are dipping. Larry, if you see this video, my waves are better than yours, screw you. So yeah, that's pretty much my everyday hair routine, so I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.